Andy here from Customer Success, bringing you the latest releases from UpGuard. We've updated our ISO 27001 questionnaire in line with the latest standard. You can access both the latest version and the previous one via the Questionnaire Library in Vendor Risk. Vendors can now complete questionnaires faster and easier in the tool of their choice via the Questionnaire Answer import tool. This new feature allows vendors to export questionnaires as an Excel document, add their responses, and import back into the UpGuard platform to complete the questionnaire. This feature is currently in open beta. If you have feedback about this feature, reach out to your technical account manager or contact Customer Success via support@upguard.com. We've added a new risk assessment summary report showing the risk assessment status across your vendors. The report will give you a useful snapshot to help you track and follow up on the status of your in-progress risk assessments, see which vendors are due for reassessment, plan for and schedule assessment activity, and see which vendors have not been assessed so you can plan for future assessments. We've added additional risks for domains at risk of hijacking. You can now receive notifications of new active domains and IPs and reduce the time to remediate associated risks. We've added subdomain takeover detection for services including Agile CRM, Strikingly, Shopify, HelpJuice, and many more. For the full list of new additions, check out the release notes at upguard.com/releases.